Hello friends, today I'm going to show how to make the star pattern program in Java. For that, click on new class option and then click on and then enter a class name. I have entered stars. It can be any name of your choice, and then click on OK and then double click it. Erase whatever there is on the screen and type import java dot util dot asterisk semicolon and then type class and enter the class name that you have just entered, and then within these second brackets you have to type public static void main, then parenthesis, and then again second brackets, and then type scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. This will help to take any kind of inputs during the program while running the program, and then declare a variable of the integer data type. We have to now display a message on the screen. So for that we are going to write system.out.println, and the message is enter the number of rows, and then we have to take the input and store it in the variable a like this. And now we need to use the nested loop over here, which is a for loop inside another for loop. So let us write for, and we have to declare a variable over here. Let the variable be b. This can be any variable of your choice. I have just taken the variable b, and b is equal to b is less than b is less than a and b plus plus. Then two second brackets. This will help us to create rows in the Java program while running the program. And then we have to use another for loop inside it, where we will declare another variable that is int c. It is c, the variable is c of the integer data type, and c is less than equal to b and c plus plus. This will help to print the specific number of stars in one line. And then we have to print the stars. So for that, it is basically an asterisk. So we have to write system.out.print, and then we have to keep the star over here, and outside this for loop, but inside this for loop we have to type system.out.println, but keep this parenthesis blank. Now this line will help us to shift to the left line, shift to the next line, and it has no other functions, and this will help in printing the stars. I have written system.out.print over here and system.out.println over here. The function of system.out.print is to just print a message, but the system.out.println helps in printing the message and then moves the cursor to the next line. So we can do one more thing. We can print another thing. We can use an Unicode over here. System.out.print. The Unicode is /U000 capital C. The function of this Unicode is to clear screen, means it will help in erasing all the messages before which have been done before this one. So let us compile it and run the program. It is showing enter the number of rows. Let me enter 5. This is the output. But you might have noticed that the two stars have a very little space between them. Almost the space is negligible. So let us increase the space. So to increase the space, come here and give a space after the asterisk and then compile it. And now let us try this program. It is showing enter the number of rows. Let us enter a big number. Let it be 35. This is the result. So you can check that there are 35, whether there are 35 rows or not. It should be there are 35. I think there are 35 rows, and here in the last line there are 35 asterisks or stars. So that is how you have to make the, that is how we can make the star pattern program in Java. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.